Hey guys, Shashi Dean, the AI Operations Analyst here. In today's video, we are going to be solving this question that I found within an AI community. His question is around ebooks and lead magnets. He wants to find a smarter way to make them more efficient. This guy's name is Krishna. Let's go over it. Hey everyone, I'm exploring better ways to quickly design ebooks or lead magnets without getting stuck in the usual time-consuming process. Canva has been my go-to. While it's convenient, it mostly relies on preset templates, and I'm not sure it's the most efficient option for scaling or customization. I recently came across Typeset, which looks promising, but it comes with a steep monthly subscription. Before jumping in, I wanted to check with the group. Is there a better or more streamlined way to do this? I'm specifically looking for something that reduces both the design time and the manual effort. Bonus if it works well with automation. Would love to hear what's working well for you. Thanks in advance. Okay, so this is a problem set around efficiency, right? To create a lead magnet, it takes time to create. And when it comes to using automations for creating a lead magnet, it helps with the design process, right? It helps with the design process. So if your lead magnet is, instead of an ebook, let's say it's a course, it's a free course that you're giving out. If you planned on using automation or AI, then you'd probably use an AI avatar to explain the concepts for you, right? And give the value for free for you. Now, this guy Krishna, my question for him is, what is the lead magnet around? And whatever it's subjected around, is it a commodity, right? Like, is the information you're giving out something that people can find easily on the internet? Now, people will still opt in, but will it actually create change? Because result market fit is very important even for a lead magnet, right? Because at the end of the day, time is an expense, right? And so with your lead magnet that they're opting into, they have to spend their time and their energy to go over the lead magnet. So before you think of using AI and automations to create efficiency around your lead magnet, why are we focused on design so heavily if we haven't validated the lead magnet, right? The same way we have to validate a product that we're selling for money, the same applies for a lead magnet. Why? Because one, you want to see, okay, like how many opt-ins am I getting for the message market fit that I'm putting out into the marketplace? And not only that, but how much change am I creating, right? Am I getting result market fit, right? That is very important even for a lead magnet. And so instead of focusing on efficiency around design for your lead magnet, you want to split test different lead magnets to the audience that you have. Now, a quick way to test a lead magnet could be with paid ads, right? You can quickly validate a magnet to a specific target audience. That is a way of doing things, but you can also do this with an audience, right? They wouldn't mind. All you have to do is be completely upfront, saying that you want to test out different free deliveries and see what creates the best change for your audience. And that's the way to do it. You need to focus on creating change before you focus on efficiency and everything like that, because efficiency is high leverage inputs, right? You're coming up with new inputs for your previous outputs. So before you come up with new inputs to get a greater output for a less costly input measured by time, you need to first validate it first, right? Because everyone wants to get a greater output for a less costly input, putting in less time. But before you can do that, you want to validate first. So focus on delivery, not design, right? This is a very philosophical way of explaining things here. Because at the end of the day, people care more about creating change in their life than the design of your ebook or whatever lead magnet you plan on using. If it provides value, then you're good to go. Now, the way you should give a lead magnet out should be through lived expertise and lived experience. So if you don't have those components, there's no point of you creating a lead magnet unless you're stealing information and just implementing it into your own lead magnet, right? So his focus is deranged. It's unhinged. It's not focused on the right thing. And this is what a lot of people do. They overcomplicate something that needs to be validated first. The same way you need to have a minimal viable product, right? An MVP. The same applies for a lead magnet, a minimal viable lead magnet as well. So what's the fastest way you can create an ebook? Maybe with Google Docs or with a Notion. It's not very technical. You can get technical later, focusing on design, etc. So like, for example, if Canva has been your go-to, go back to Canva and use it to deliver value. You're talking about preset templates as if it's a problem. I promise you, man, no one cares about design until later, right? Design is supplementary value. It supplements the value-based delivery that you're giving out, right? So before you supplement anything, validate it first. Cool, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this valuable. We just extrapolated on that comment there, or that inquiry, and yeah, we solved it. So if you guys did find this valuable and you want to see more of me on your home feed, hit that subscribe button. Take care.